Implementing a new business system it's a challenge. There's a lot of things that you've got to consider, and it's an organisational change which doesn't happen very often. It's rare for a business to look at itself and try and understand how it works and how the parts of the business, the cogs if you like, fit together and work day to day. There's no real business situation where you'd have to think about everything in the round, apart from when you implement a new enterprise resource planning system or CRM system, or you buy and sell a company. Unless you're buying and selling a company, there's not very many situations where you have to think about how everything fits together, and that can be a challenge for many organisations. We see organisations that feel that they've got a good understanding of how they work, but when we start to gather their requirements and talk to their staff and talk to different specialists, there's a lot of organisational memory involved of how things are done day to day, and it's not uncommon for there to be many situations really where the company would work with us where we're collecting the requirements, but everybody sort of somehow has a kind of an inspirational moment where they say, oh yeah, I kind of forgot that we did those things, because that just happens. Businesses are working day to day. Everybody's under time pressure, organisational pressure to get things done, and the cogs, the parts of those machines just keep working, and everybody knits together. But over time, people tend to become a tiny bit blinkered. So there's not very many human beings in a company who understand how all of those different parts of the machine to fit together in a way that they can write down. So it's often a discovery exercise really to rediscover how the business works.